Yeah.
And they poop on the 2 flags they got.
Those dang
Want me to
birds.
go get the Liberty flag and show you what it looks like?
Sure, why not? Okay.
Okay. So we have this really nice, this is like from the Civil War period, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice patriotic flag. And then look at that bird did to it.
Those Obama birds, you just can't trust them.
Communist, socialist, birds. They pooped on my flag. And they got the American flag too. Put them outside for a few minutes to do something nice and the birds come and poop on your flags. Communist birds.
Communist birds.
Socialist birds.
Socialist. Treasonous birds.
Terrorist birds.
Terrorist birds.
Whatever. Probably those doggone starlings, they do that. I don't like those.
Can we shoot those?
Probably. I'm gonna.
It's those other kind we're not allowed to shoot.
Anyway,